How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to unrestrict someone on Messenger, maybe because you have restricted them, you can just try opening the Messenger application here. And once you launch the Messenger application, in this case, what you can do is tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen here. And once you tap the three lines option from the top left, you want to simply go to this gear icon over here. Once you tap on this gear icon here, what you want to do is just scroll down a bit further below. You'll find options such as privacy and safety, so tap on it. Once you tap on privacy and safety, you want to simply scroll and look for the option called restricted accounts. Tap on it and you can see the people that you've restricted it. Just select them and tap on unrestrict from the bottom and they will get successfully unrestricted. Now I restricted this person because they were spam calling me too much. Now if you have also restricted someone for similar reasons, you can go ahead and unrestrict them. This way you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.